Hey guys, Wednesday, February 19, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do in the US Open. So far, she is getting some good Momo. Some of you are asking, man, is it time to short? Well, I don't know. Let's see. So far in the market profile, she still has room to run, but though there's a pivot here, a 420, and it just kissed it, and now it's kind of stalling a little bit. Let's look at our simple glance chart. You got PPS buy signal on the 13th TD9 candle. MACD is positive. On the daily, we are hitting the linear regression channel. So far, the Momo broke above 395. So now the weekly is positive. But the daily kind of keeps you in check. I closed my long position once we kissed this linear regression channel. It was like 418, 419 I got out. So I'm on the sidelines. I'm waiting to see what's going to happen here. But this is where you want to probably lock in some profit. But, you know, that's me. Maybe not. Maybe you think we're going to go 436. We can. We'll just have to jump in again. But everything looks pretty much strong to the upside. The Kumo cloud is looking a little bit positive now. But my rule is linear regression takes them off the table or close the position. And so far we're there. Let's look at let's see. So looking at some Gann ratios, 6.3%. We already hit 419. Then obviously your next one is 436. Looking at our midpoints. So looking at the weekly, we already are kissing the highs that we made last year, right? This is last year's high, and we already kissed it. We got all this move up here. That's first thing, first target got hit. Obviously, the 436 was this year. On the 13th. Looking at our monthly pivots, we already hit the mid quadrant, which was 419. So that is resistance already right there on top of the linear regression channel that I use. Look at the selling now. You know, everything looks positive, but if you want to go by targets, that's a target you want to lock in, or at least take some off the table. And if it wants to go higher, your next one will be obviously 436. Looking at our 4 hour, we're already over the extremes. So, well, you could have been happy with 402, but you really want to get greedy, then 419 was your next one. But on the weekly, we're definitely overextended. So this is like gift to the God from the gods in heaven to us mortals or immortals, or however you feel you are. If you're mortal, then you're mortal. And if you're immortal, you're immortal. I digress. What am I talking about? I'm losing my mind here. Anyway, here we are. Mobiles are positive. Everything is positive here. The hourly, here's a better clue. If you want to squeeze a little more, your last target is 424. And you can see that the mobiles are negative. So this was, I mean, I guess maybe they were stopping for hunts or just, you know, pushing higher. But the mobiles never turned positive. It was a nice little snapback. This is your range. Your 424, I think that would be it. If it's going to squeeze one more in the US, it may be stall around here. You at least want to hold 413 or at least 402, this whole area right here, if you think it's going to bounce and then continue going higher. This is where I would probably lock in profits. And if you're still long, maybe take some off the table here and then just trail your stop. But so far, it's looking good. Using the square of 9, I would probably say 419, 420, 421, 22, 23, 24. This will probably be it for now, or at least for today. If it closes above 423, 24, Obviously, we're going to go to 431 and then maybe kiss 436. But this is going to be the test between today and tomorrow. If we get down below 334, I mean, not 334, 411, then maybe this was all just a squeeze and it's going to turn down. But if we stay above 411, just kind of oscillate back and forth here, what's tomorrow? EIA report. If we don't close below 411, chances are it's going to go kiss 436, 431. But this is the area of test. So below 419, 411 could be bearish. But just chopping around here back and forth between 420, 424, 419. EIA reports, goes down, doesn't take out 411, and then just shoots back up 431. You're probably high probability 436 to 441. I think that's it. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.